I don't know if people know this, but what made Einstein special, I mean, he was a genius, right? But not just that. I think it was a combination of he was a genius and he had this ability to think. He would sit for hours. Like, he'd spend 8 hours thinking.
Yeah.
And that's how he would come up with this
Well,
stuff.
if you think about it now. Think about how many of us sit quietly and think. That's extremely rare. And you think
Nobody does it.
No one does it. And so it's not a wonder why a lot of the kind of more formal institutions have actually been fairly stagnant and as of late. And so it's because there's this need for people. It's almost like if we've been sold a story that people are just dumb and only the experts are smart.
Yeah.
You know, and everyone else we're just passive consumers and we're not very intelligent.
Yeah.
And we've been sold this story since we were young, and some of us have believed that we have to look up to the experts for them to tell us what to think.
The answers. Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
but it turns out that long form content is showing that actually we can grasp more of the information that the experts said that we couldn't understand.
Oh, I see.
And in fact, in some cases, we're actually generating solutions that they cannot generate.
Oh.
You know, because many times they're blinded by authority, they're blinded by institutional institutional structures and boundaries, and they may not have the freedom to explore certain things when in this realm that possibility is there.